In this video, we'll show you how to assemble the JewelXTRACT 1, a compact plug-and-play extraction system designed specifically for jewellery work. Inside the box, you'll find the installation kit containing everything you need to get up and running. First, remove the clamp from the box and slide it onto the area of the desk where you want your JewelXTRACT arm to be positioned. Next, grab these three pieces, the two clamp plates and the sliding plate. On the clamp plates, you'll notice one side is raised and the other side is flat. This is the same for both plates. Now take the sliding plate. You'll see a small notch on one side. This notch needs to align with the hole. Slide the plate through from the flat side towards the raised side as shown, then place the second clamp plate on top. Once the clamp is in position, double check the placement. If you're happy with it, tighten the clamp securely as shown. It's also worth mentioning that you can permanently mount the clamp to your desk using the provided screws. Next, insert the blast plate housing into the clamp, making sure the writing on the sliding door is facing upward. Now take the 4 Allen bolts and slide them through the holes. If you're mounting the unit into the desk, you would swap these bolts for the provided screws. On the opposite side, hand tighten the 4 nuts first, then fully tighten using a ratchet with a 10mm socket and then a 532 Allen key. Next, take the black hose. We'll start with this end first. Because the hose is brand new, the fitting can be quite stiff. We recommend gently warming it, as shown, to make installation easier. Now move to the other side of the blast gate housing. Take the steel flexible arm and locate the hole. Line it up with the matching hole on the blast gate housing. Once aligned, insert the twist screw and tighten it into place. To maximise airflow, pull the blast gate slider fully open. To shut airflow off completely, slide it closed. Now connect the other end of the black hose into the JewelXTRACT unit. Plug the JewelXTRACT into the mains power and make sure the red switch light is on. And you're ready to go. You can swap the nozzle depending on the type of extraction you need. Use the funnel nozzle when you need a larger capture area for fumes and vapours, for example. Use the pen nozzle when you're working mostly with light dust. One final tip, if your JewelXTRACT arm is mounted on the desk surface, fumes will naturally travel along the work surface, helping keep your workspace clearer and more open.